Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so at the Whitney Uptown, we're looking at their one bedroom. So this is not a model, this is an open apartment, but wow, I think you're gonna love it. So I'm gonna walk in, look how big this is. It's massive. It's got a really big space, it's really pretty. It's got a beautiful kitchen, really nice quartz countertops. Everything's kind of white or whitish. It just feels, just cheery, feels great. And then look at all the space. You're gonna have a lot of space in here to work with. And then, man, look at these views. So you're gonna have great views of the city here. This is McKinney Avenue, so you can walk to just anything, just so many things in just minutes. You do have a nice balcony out here too. We'll check that out in just a minute, but this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. This is the bathroom and bedroom. The bedroom's also cool. You've got a great balcony where you can step out there that way. So we'll actually step out there on the detailed video. This is the bathroom. It's really adorable. Whoa, super, super cool. And then the closet, the bathroom's in there. And here's the closet. So the closet looks great. It's in here. So really, really nice. Love this closet. Love the bedroom. The bedroom's cool. Everything is light bright, feels great. Hey, if you like what you're seeing here and you're ready to set up a virtual tour, send me a text and we'll set up a virtual tour for you where you can see the exact apartment that you want to see virtually without even having to visit. So send a text anytime and I'll take care of that for you. Would love to help you find your perfect place here in Uptown Dallas. Just say hi, send that text now.